Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Nagpakita ng kaseksihan si Kylie Padilla sa kanyang IG. Ayon sa kanyang post sa Instagram, nag-start ulit siya ng kanyang fitness journey pagkatapos makarecover sa COVID-19. Feeling daw niya ay pwede na siya ulit mag-workout, kasabay ng pag-i-introduce ng product na kanyang iniinom para ma-maintain ang kanyang weight.
Hey guys, so I just restarted my fitness journey after recovering from COVID. I feel like I'm ready again to start working out. And syempre, I need a little help with my Slim Firm apple cider vinegar gummies. They are deliciously vegan, organic, non-GMO, and gluten-free and gelatin-free. And they are so yummy. They also help with my appetite. They make my skin glow, and I usually drink them in the night before I sleep or before I work out because, you know, they help with my urge to binge eat when I feel emotional. And that's just me being honest. So, kung gusto nyo rin ng help sa fitness journey nyo, try and check them out. Masaya.
Anong masasabi mo sa balitang ito?